In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Face Unlock. Then enter your current login method. Click on Next at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage default way to unlock by selecting one of the available options, and when you finished, just go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!